All right, away we go. The same item is on sale at two stores, which is the better price. So the first one, we've got 100 minus 85 gives us 15. And then we're going to take 15% of 90. So 15% of 90 equals, you know what? I'm going to do this the way that I want to, which is 0.15 times 90. So 0.15 times 90 is $13.50. Now the other one is 70% off of $65. So that's 100 minus 70 gives you 30. And so we're looking at 30%. And so 30% of 65. So 0.3 times 65 gives us $19.50, meaning the first store is the best option. Find the sale price for the next one. Percent discount is 80%, so we're going to go 100 minus 80 gives us 20%. And so we want 20% of 120. So 0.2 times 120 is 24. So we're looking at $24. Still finding the sale price in number 3. So we've got $69.80. We want a percent discount 60, so 100 minus 60 is 40. And so we're looking at 40%, 0.4 of 69.80. And so that's 0.4 times 69.8. That's $27.92. This time around, we're finding the original price. So the percent discount is 5, so we go 100 minus 5 equals 95%. So we know that 57 is 95% of some whole. So here I'll cross multiply because I find that easier to do for this for some reason. So equals 95, W, divide both sides by 95. And so 700 divided by 95 gives us 60. So we have $60. Find the percent of discount. So we're going to go 95 minus 61.75. 95 minus 61.75 gives us $33.25. And so we're looking at $33.25 compared to 95, the original price. We want to find the percent, which is over 100. So cross multiplying, that gives us 33.25 equals 95p. So we divide both sides by 95. And so 33.25 divided by 95 gives us 35. So 35%. Find the selling price. The cost of the store is $140. The markup's 25, so we'll go 100 plus 25 is 125. And then we're marking this up. So our selling price is part of 140. It's 125% of 140. I'm just doing it this way because I don't know why. 125 times 140 gives us 17500. Divide both sides by 100. That gives us $175 is what we're selling whatever this is for. A store pays $60 for the item. Your friend finds the selling price when the markup is 20%. Is your friend correct? No. Your friend found out how much you should mark it up, but not how much the markup price is. So my friend should have multiplied by 1.2. Scooters being sold at a 10% discount. The original price is shown. Which methods can you use to find the sale price? So typically what we do is we go 100 minus 10%, and so that would give you 90%. 90%, you know, is 0.9. So multiply $42 by 0.9 would be one way to do this. Now what we didn't talk about is that what you could do is you could go ahead and find 10% of $42 and then subtract it from $42. I didn't show this at school today because that's more work. But if you logically think this through, maybe you should try this problem on your own and follow the directions there and see if you get the answers for both of those. The original price of an item is P dollars. Is this price of the item? Is the price of the item with the markup an 18%? Sorry, with an 18% markup the same as multiplying the original price? Yeah, we know this because 100 plus 18 is 118%, and then typically we would just go, hey, 1.18 times the whole, or times P dollars in this case. Poor choice of variable on their part. But going back to what I was saying earlier, what you could have done is you could have found 18% of P and then added it to P, which is still 1.18 times P. You're shopping for a video game system. At which store should you buy the system? Well, let's take a look at this. These are the markups for each store. So first store is a 40% markup. So we want 140% of $162. So 1.4 times 160 gives us $224. At the next store, it's 1.3. Oh, times 162. Whoops. Like, why doesn't that look right? 1.4 times 162. There we go. I'm like, I knew I didn't do something right. Next one is 155. So that's 1.3 times 155, which gives us $201.50. And the last one is 160 times, oh, I wrote this backwards. I'm sorry. I was a little distracted. 125%, so 1.25 times 160. So 1.25 times 160 gives us 200. So we should buy the system from store C. But what if store A puts it on discount? So the store A's discount needs to be at least 200. Well, it needs to at least drop it to $200. So $226.80 minus $200 gives us $26.80. And so if we want to get a discount that deep, we're going to go $26.80 divided by $226.80 and find the percent. Cross multiply, that gives us 2680 equals 226.80 P. Divide both sides by 226.8. So this would be 2680 divided by 226.8. That's going to give us this, which means that the store, to be specific, is an 11.8% discount. But what we really want to say then is we want to say at least a 12% discount. So Pool manager balances the pH level of a pool. The price of a bucket of chlorine is $90. The price of a pH test kit is $11. The manager uses a coupon that applies a 40% discount to the total cost of the two items. How much money does the pool manager pay for each item? So I'm going to show you what happens here. We go 90 plus 11, and then we apply a 0.4%. Well, 40%, sorry, a 40% discount. 40% discount is not 0.4. Sorry. We're applying a 40% discount, which means we're doing 100 minus 60, which is 40%, which is 0.4. Or sorry, I did 60. I don't know. There's a lot going on here at the house where I'm trying to get this done. And I'm trying to do this quickly because we've got to order pizza and stuff. So there we go, 60. So it's 0.6. And if we look, if we actually applied the distributive property to this problem, we will see the two prices that we will pay. So distribute the 0.6 here. So 0.6 times 90 gives us $54. And that's going to be for the chlorine tablets, plus 0.6 times 11, and that's going to be $6.60 for the test kit. So those are the two individual prices that we will pay. What's the percent discount to the nearest percent? So here we go. We know that the jeans are $3.99. Well, $39.99. We're dropping $10 off them. So P equals 100. We'll P over 100 cross multiply. 1, 2, 39.99. P divided by 39.99. So that's 1,000. Whoops. Divided by 39.99. To the nearest percent, that's a 25% discount. What's the percent of sales tax to the nearest tenth of a percent? So we're going to take the 195 then. The 195 gets applied to the subtotal of $29.99. So we have 195 equals 29.99p divided by 29.99. And so we have 195 divided by 29.99. And to the nearest tenth of a percent, it's 6.5% sales tax. The price of jeans includes a 60% markup after the discount. What is the percent of the markup to the nearest percent? Okay, the price of jeans includes a 60% markup. After the discount, which is now $29, okay, what is the percent of the markup to the nearest percent? Okay. This is a little bit backwards, but we're going to go find the markup. Okay, I'm just pondering this for a moment because this question, for some reason, hurts my brain. And that's okay. The price of jeans includes a 60% markup. If I wanted to go find that markup, it would be 160% of the store's cost is $39.99. Gotcha. So with that being the case, then we go $39.99 of the original equals 160 times or over 100, so that's 3999 equals 160W. Divide both sides by 160, and so 3999 divided by 160 gives us 24 That would be the price of the jeans to the store. And so then we want to know how much is how much markup is there. So that would be $29.99. Oops, minus $24.99, which is $5. And so we're going to look at, going to run our room here. Didn't realize how extensive this problem was. We're going to be doing $5 is 24. That's that. That should be a 24. So we cross multiply here. That's 500 equals 24.99p. Divide by 24.99. And p, 500 divided by 24.99 gives us, it's a 20% markup. So at first it was a 60% markup, and now due to the sale price, it's only a 20% markup. So the store's only making 20% profit off those jeans when they're on sale. You buy a bicycle helmet, which includes 6% sales tax. The helmet's discounted after discounted 30% off the selling price. What's the original price? So this includes the sales tax. So we got to find out how much it costs before the sales tax. Then we got to find out how much it costs before the discount. So we just got to think this backwards. We know that because of sales tax, $22.26 is 106% of original. Well, of, I guess, the sales price. So we're going to find the sale price by doing 22.26. W down here, 106 and 100. Cross multiply. That gives us 106W equals 2226. We divide by 106 and we squirm because these numbers look weird. But man, that feels good. So the helmet's on sale for $21. And then we know that $21 is 30% off the original. So that's 100 minus 30. So is 70% of the original. So we're going to go 21 over W equals 70 over 100. Cross multiply. This is going to work out nicely. Woo! I feel so much better about this problem now. We divide both sides by 70, and we get that our original selling price was $30. Last problem, a drone that costs $129.50 is discounted 40%. The next month the sale price is discounted an additional 60%. Is this drone on free? No. So it's not free because what we're doing essentially is the first month we go 100 minus 40, which is 60%. And then, so that would be 0.6 times that drone's price. And then from this is our new 100%, we're going to take off another 60%, which is 40%. And so then we'd take off 40%. So if you look at that then, the new drone would be, well, the new price of the drone would be $31.08. But more importantly, if you look at this, it would be 0.24, sorry, it'd be 0.4 times 0.6, which is 24% of the original price, which means that 100 minus 24 is 76. So we've actually had a 70%, 76% discount. So it's by no means a 100% discount. All right, thanks.